I'm gonna do that, although, no. Hello guys, so today we are doing another skincare review, and this time we are going to review the Sephora Fruit Acids mask or gel mask. So this is what they look like. Hope you guys can see that. I have two for you guys, and I'm debating whether I should use both. So I got the smoothing mask and the purifying peel mask. So I was thinking I would put them on either side of my face. When I saw this at Sephora, I had to have them. They look so cute. This is actually, unfortunately, a limited edition mask. And the moment I saw how small and compact they were, I immediately thought it's perfect for travel. This is 1.69 fluid ounce and they're $10 a piece. So it's very inexpensive. Let's see if it's effective. Okay, let's go ahead and try it. I have a cleansed face. I've got my Glossier headband on. So let's go ahead and try the smoothing mask on the right side of my face. I have this flat AOA brush applicator or mask applicator. Let's see here, guys. Ooh, so it's clear and it's gel. All right, let's spread that on. Said to be careful to avoid the eye area, so I will definitely avoid the eye area. I did about 2 pumps. Okay, so that is one side, and I've already cleansed my face. This one contains some papaya extracts. The papaya is supposed to be very exfoliating and kind of reveal a smoother looking skin. I smell the papaya. It smells so refreshing, and I already feel some tingling. Usually natural exfoliators like these are actually very potent, and so sometimes you can feel a little bit of tingling on your face. So this one contains a mix of papaya extract plus AHAs from fruits and plants and exfoliating properties to smooth and even our skin tone. All right, so I washed off my AOA brush and I'm gonna try the lemon one. This time it's the purifying side. I love that it's a pump. It's so easy and convenient. I love this yellow. I just love the packaging, and I think that's what made me buy it. All right, so this is the lemon one. I did 3 pumps this time. Oh, maybe that's too much, but okay. Smells good. They have a scent to them, but they're never overpowering. Okay, I think put some here. All right, so on this side of my face, it's starting to feel dry, but it actually doesn't feel stiff or anything like that. I love that because honestly, I'm not the biggest fan of charcoal masks where they harden and they become cracky on your face. This one just feels normal. It's like, it almost feels like I applied a serum on my face, so not bad. Okay, so the lemon one contains also a mix of AHAs from fruits and plants. It has exfoliating properties to smooth and purify the skin. This is a lemon citron flavor, and I guess when it comes to lemon, it has something to do with like killing bacteria. I guess that's why this one is called purifying. This mask actually comes in 3 different kinds of masks. So there's purifying, and then we have the smoothing, and I can't remember the third one. I'll put it right here after I look it up. So this one has a stronger tingling sensation. According to the instructions, you're supposed to keep it on for 10 minutes and then you just gently massage it into the skin. So I will be right back. Okay guys, I am back and my face looks shiny. So it said to go ahead and massage the serum in. So I'm gonna do that, although No, can't massage it in. It's too sticky and it's too tight, but like it's almost like there's a layer over my face and it's not budging. Well, let's see. I guess the heat of your fingers can slowly melt the mask. So I'll do that at the center of my face. Okay, so at first it felt like it was too stiff and it wasn't gonna move, but as I massage my fingers into it, it actually works. Okay, you still have to wash off this mask, so I'm gonna be right back. Okay, my face looks so much brighter. The papaya one was on this side and the lemon one was on this side. It doesn't feel dry or anything like that after washing it off, although it might be too soon to tell. Definitely follow this up with some sort of moisturizer. I mean, I do that anyway with any type of skincare. This side is supposed to be smoothing. Okay. So first impressions, guys, I notice that there's less bumps on this side of my face. It could be that it just started off that way, but maybe, just maybe, it did something there. I actually like both of them. This is the kind of mask that I love more than the charcoal mask, like gel mask. They're not as heavy. They're pretty much like an intense serum, like very light on the skin. I love the gel texture because it doesn't seem to make my face feel super dry right after washing it. This side is supposed to be purifying. I like it. Oh, but guys, I think these are still available at Sephora. Definitely grab yourself one of these. I highly, highly recommend them. If I have any type of update for you on this, I will definitely put it in the description box below in case I develop some sort of reaction or anything like that, but I doubt it. I doubt it. It feels very light on the skin. It feels hydrating on the skin. I am excited and impressed. So good job, Sephora. That is my mini review. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up, like, and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. I post videos once a week on skincare and beauty reviews, as well as some unboxing here and there. Guys, definitely be on the lookout for my advent calendar unboxing because it's going to be epic. I'm super excited. It's finally fall, but I hope the weather catches up with fall because it's super hot right now. So that is it, guys. Hope you enjoyed this video. Give this video a thumbs up. Subscribe and join this beauty community if you are new. And with that said, I hope you guys have a great rest of your day, and I'll definitely see you back in my corner soon. Bye.